Sharon Danley here with 2-minute tips for healthy beauty and confident aging. This week, it's welcome to a treasure trove of all the things that are on this channel just for you. Looking for something in particular? Then just check out the search bar. And if you're looking for the playlists where everything's broken down into same subject matter, this is the place for you. One of our popular playlists is the makeup for streamlined, time-saving, and cost-effective makeup, the best you will find anywhere, showing how to wear it for just daily or all glammed up for a red carpet event. And another popular one is hairstyles for fast, easy, and stylish techniques to get you out the door fast with wonderful styles. And here's just a sampling of a few updos. There's many more for you on that playlist. And in conjunction, of course, is hair extensions for thin, fine hair. Everything from wefts to hair padding to extensions to using extensions when you're embracing your gray hair, so it gives a look that is really unique and different. And a much safer alternative to chemically coloring your hair for highlights and lowlights. Oh, and be careful not to leave any on the floor. And there's also a playlist for personal and digital makeovers for every age and stage. Plus, there are some unique makeovers for those who have challenges with skin issues, or even for our senior femme fatales. And of course, the playlists wouldn't be complete without best beauty tips. Fast, easy, effective, cheap, and cheerful. Everything from making your own personalized pans to carry in your purse, to using artist brushes for special effects for adding highlights or lowlights to your hair, to the kinds of rollers and brushes and things to use for quick and easy styling, and the correct pins for the correct job. And having a background in wardrobe styling for business executives in a number of corporations, I bring that to the table too, adding the management aspect of it, keeping wardrobe styling easy, simple, effective, and feeling good. Vocal power or presence, a very powerful aspect of your complete self. Having been a voiceover artist for a period of time, I've put together this playlist of short videos to help you put your best vocal presence forward to match the rest of your fabulous self. And to complete your exterior beauty, there is a playlist on how to perform. That's right, how you walk, how you move, how you sit, how you stand, how you project yourself in any number of ways for whatever situation is called for. And to complete your fabulous package, we take a look at the inner you, because what you think does show on your face and your demeanor. These are talks and videos about a number of things that affect how we think about everyday life and all the situations we come across. And we finally wrap it up with modern etiquette, how to bring back the lost art of etiquette and courtesy, but in a modern way. So that's it, this channel's treasure trove of self-help beauty. All you have to do is watch and practice, and please share with your friends. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time.